The Fastback from Milwaukee are my favorite utility knives. I've used so many utility knives in the past, and I always end up using these ones the most. First of all, the blade changing is super easy and fast just by pressing down this button and reverse. And we got a new blade. There is also blade storage hidden in this handle. I think I can store like 3 or 4 blades, at least 3 blades. The ease of use and the comfort is absolutely amazing. Pressing down this button to deploy. It also locks in a few more positions, like this angle. With the blade retracted, it is exposed here where you can use it as a maybe a seat belt cutter or rope cutter. The belt clip is super strong in this version. In the other version, it works the same way. Also, the blade changing is super fast by pressing down this button. Belt clip is a slightly different design. No blade storage. The simplified version, yeah, I just really enjoy using it like this. Of course, it depends on how sharp the blade is, but you know, with the blade storage, I'm not worried about wearing it down, or you know, I can just simply change the blade like that real fast and just without using any tools, I can do that. So yeah, I cannot recommend this one enough. Milwaukee Fastback.